Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants that, I have one right here, my life, and travel. But today, we're gonna update you on my life. Pretty much, I'm gonna tell you what these hormones have been doing for me. Not really specifically. I don't even know how to title this video, so I'm gonna tell you about my hormones, what I've been up to, and just like close anything about my past relationship. Whatever you wanna title this video, I guess, like, yeah. Anyways, before we do that, I am drinking a little chelada piña picante. So this guy I'm talking to, like, got me hooked on these. Yeah, thank you. You know who you are. Anyways. Where should I start? So, okay. As every trans girl starts, we start with, two types of pills. One is, estradiol, 2 milligrams per tablet. So you take 2 of these, one in the morning or whatever, or all of them at the same time. And then, spironolactone, 100 milligrams. I think that's how you say it. A lot of girls just say spiral, but okay. So I've been taking these. It's been a month and 2 weeks now, and bitch, oh my god, I have seen a few changes. Okay, the first thing I've noticed was that my hair is not that oily anymore. My face is not that oily anymore. Yeah, so like I used to be really oily, so I feel like my oily face has been more controlled. All the oils have been more controlled, and that makes me not break out as much. And yeah, my skin feels softer, a little more feminine. And the second thing, my little nipples are starting to poke out a little bit, so that's really exciting. And as you can see, I'm kind of getting a little bit of nipple action there. I mean, I'm getting nipple action. I'm getting a little bit of titty, you know? I got tits. As soon as I drank one, my fucking tits just blew the fuck. No, I'm just playing. No, that didn't happen. Like, yeah, but I don't know. I'm so happy. Okay, those are 2 changes that happened that I saw. Like, but don't think that this is gonna happen for you. Maybe like you get more like you see more changes than I do, or less, or everybody's different. So don't think that whatever I experience you're gonna experience. Maybe you experience more, less, but yeah, everybody's different. So what else? I got baby hairs. I'm getting a lot more baby hairs. I feel like my hairline is getting more filled up. Like the little bald, not bald spots, but I guess like that manly hairline is starting to fill up and look more feminine. So I'm excited. I'm getting hair there. Also, like when I shave, I used to like shave like to go out, and then the next morning like I could like stab myself. But now I shave like in the morning, and it still feels pretty smooth. So like definitely the hair growth, the rate is slowing down, I'm guessing. But yeah. Also, the last one that I saw, I feel like I'm getting a butt. I don't, like, little butts matter because I have a little butt, but I feel like I'm getting a butt now. And kind of I'm getting curvier. I feel like I'm getting curvier. I'm definitely getting fat where girls naturally get fat, I guess. So that's another thing that these hormone pills are doing for me. Now, they do say that they mess with your emotions, but I'm not sure if that's affecting me because I'm already an emotional person. So, I don't know. It might be me already that I'm emotional. It might be the pills. Maybe a little bit slightly more emotional, but that aspect I don't really, I feel like I'm the same, so that's a good thing. I was afraid that if I drank these freaking hormones, I'm already emotional, I would like I don't know, commit suicide or something. Like, praise the Lord that that didn't happen. So yeah, those are the changes that I've seen. Pretty much that's it. And my legs too, when I shave them, they still, I kind of trim them because I don't even have to shave anymore because the hair doesn't grow that fast, so that's good. Other than that, for the first month, that's all the changes that I've seen. A little breast, just slightly, and the nipples are definitely starting to poke out. So yeah, I would show y'all, but I don't want my video to get demonetized. But maybe in a future video I can show y'all one day. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, so that's my first month hormone update. That's what I wanted to update you on. And now, the juicy part for most of y'all. I've been hearing that a lot of you know that, okay, first of all, my ex is my ex, whatever. Yeah, that's the past. But a lot of y'all are like noticing that my ex is with someone else. Like, okay, he's with someone else, let him be. Life goes on. If he wants to date, he can date. Don't send him any hate. And yeah, I wish him the best. Don't feel sorry for me because I'm fine, I'm good. Like, shit happens, life goes on. Sometimes relationships don't work, and sometimes they do, and sometimes they last, and sometimes they don't. So just, I grew from it, and that's all I gotta say. Like, don't send him any hate. If his girlfriend doesn't look good, or just don't talk shit. A lot of y'all wanted to like kind of tell me like, oh, your ex is dating da 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 da. Like, it's fine, I'm over that. Like, so don't feel sorry for me. I'm good. I'm kind of already talking to someone else, so yeah. And I'm in a good place. I'm not gonna date anyone anytime soon, so yeah, I'm slowly, I don't know, talking to someone. So that's all I wanted to say. And yeah, like, I know this, trust me. Like, I knew before all of y'all that he was dating someone else. He told me, and it's fine. So I wish him the best. And yeah, he was a good person. I was a good person. We just didn't clash. But anyways, you guys, enough about that. And yeah, future videos, I'm gonna have another update on my hormones. I do wanna have how I maintain and keep my weight, because let me tell y'all, one good thing about this breakup is that it brought my weight down. I was at 153 and right now I'm currently at 138. Oh, excuse me, I was at 135, so I lost like almost like 20 pounds in like, well, is it 20 pounds or 15 pounds? Something like that. I don't know, I'm not good at math. Anyways, like, I lost a lot of weight in like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I think. Yeah, so it was fast. So my advice to you, if you want to lose weight, break up with your man. I'm just playing. No, like, this breakup has taught me self-love, and yeah, that's the good thing. So anyways, I dropped all that weight and I'm maintaining that weight because I know, like, I'm in a good place now. So I'm like, shit, I'm gonna gain all that weight back because I'm eating now. I wasn't eating, I wasn't really sleeping due to the breakup and stuff, but now I'm good. So I'm back on eating, but the only advice I can give y'all is close your goddamn fucking mouth and don't overeat. Like, please don't overeat. And if you eat, don't eat at night. Oh my god, that is so bad. I know it's tempting, but yeah. But what I do now, I know it's pretty bad. I kind of am busy with work and going to the gym now, so I probably only maybe like twice a day. I think that's what's helping me. Kind of, I guess you can call it like I can't think of it. I'll put it in the fucking screen. I can't think of it. I'll put it in the fucking screen. I can't think of it right now. But yeah. So the only two the only two major tips I can give you is stop eating so much. Like, control your eating. Don't eat so much fast food, and if you do, like, eat like half of what you would normally eat if you really have to, and go to the gym, work out. And even if you can't afford the gym, like, go out for a walk or a run. Be consistent. Go like maybe 3 times a week, and bitch, you're gonna get results. You're gonna be snatched. So yeah, so that's how I lost the weight, and I'm maintaining it because I'm going to the gym and I am eating. I'm trying not to eat that much, and yeah. Anyways, you guys, I hope you liked this update videos on my life, on the juicy tea that y'all wanted to hear. Like I said, please don't send them hate. Like, we're both good. We're moving on. Anyways, you guys, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see my transition journey and you want to keep up with my life. I promise I'll post more often. I know I've been slacking, but yeah, I've been busy with life and getting my shit together, but slowly and surely I will. Anyways, you guys, mwah, welcome to my channel. For those of y'all that are new, I'm Melina Glam, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah. So good. Oh, and one thing, please don't drink your hormones. Oh shit. Don't drink your hormones with alcohol. That's really bad. I've done it a couple of times, but no more.